Talesong 45. The things they carried. We march, we trudge, jungle thick, memories, bullets, every tick. Rifles, letters, photographs. Fears. Heavy hearts, and silent tears. We tell stories to keep sane, laugh and cry in the pouring rain. Love and guilt, weight we bear. Every step, death's always there. Comrades fallen. Friends still near. We carry grief, hope, and fear. Life and war twist hand in hand, man against nature, land, and command. Through letters, tales, burdens shared, humanity shines. Yet hearts are bared. War may crush, but stories survive. The things we carry keep us alive. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.